boys, do not try this at home, kids.
Well, them can't try that for me if them didn't care.
Yeah, I've you just find me. Anyway, I'm going to come and get the more copyright side for the video because say all later.
Releasing dopamine.
I feel a J-O-B. If you wanna be with me, I feel a J-O-B. If you wanna be with me, I'm more pens and more hair and more house and more shoes.
Wagwan vlogger, so it's in the night, and we're there at one place called Cafe Oceans 11. Over here we're going to try what you call Italian ice cream. So yeah, I can show you.
I can try the bread cake.
It's called Italian ice cream with a H. So this is Cafe 11. Oh, this looks so green. This reminds me of Slimer. This might look like Slimer. Slimer!
The green or no?
What that taste you?
It tastes really like bread.
Vlogger, so me can try none of that because my allergy affect me. So I don't gonna eat that. But yeah, place look nice. Cafe 11, you know what I mean? See? A place you can sit down. Guess this is the antique area. And painting and denting there. So you see it? Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. Stay over here, say, because it's cold and all that. I see it. So come to Cafe 11 in Ocherios at Island Village. So when you come in at Island Village, you just drive down a little bit. And it's going to be like, you're going to see it on the left. You know what I mean? At the end of the road, you know, the roundabout. On the left, you're going to look for Cafe Ocean 11. Yeah, so Cafe Ocean 11. So yeah, come try out your Italian ice cream. You see it?
On my energy,
Wagwan vlog, bro. So I reach home safe and ting. I need to talk to you guys about some stuff, you know what I mean? Because you peeps are my family, or peeps, everybody who watch this right now. I mean, I just want to share this with the world. Hopefully this will edify somebody, you know what I mean? Where it is my weakness or my yeah, it's kind of rough now, but take fully explain, but you'll get and see what I was trying to say. So I know you guys probably see me like with a lot of ladies, you know what I mean? Because you know I'm good with the ladies, you know what I mean? I'm always good with the ladies. There was one specific person you guys usually see a lot. Don't want to call any name, but she was, you know what I mean, the one. It didn't work out and thing at all. Though there is somebody else now that we care about each other, also moving on from that, there's an issue. And the issue is, yo, I not trust woman, is it? Yeah. But now it's not like me a judge, but it's more like a confession. to let you guys see where I am, you know, where I stand now, where I am right now, you know. And as I say, I'm sharing this with you people, hopefully will edify somebody, you know what I mean, help somebody, you know what I mean. Based on previous experience, the person before you guys already seen the vlog, and even this person now, that we like each other but we're not together like that. And even previous relationship way back when, then it make me I've seen a pattern, and based from what I've seen, it have me a lot of females, or even them, even when I was in the relationship with them, some things what they will say and do, it made me pre them a certain way, and I just, I don't know, for now I just can't really trust woman, you know what I mean, no matter how much I love you and me give you my all, cause I am a man I love still. I'm not afraid to tell you that straight, I'm a big man, I'm not afraid to say that. And even the person now that I like each other, you know what I mean, she's amazing, but there's just some things where women will do that really just make me just pre them certain way, you know what I mean, because as Mr. Manar said, they all this way, but based on what I see, and them lie still and sneaking, you know what I mean, lie and sneaking, and then there's another thing where them use them emotions to play with enough people still. I'm gonna see it happen to enough other people and enough other youth too, you know. One time I really wonder still if I stay by myself still, you know what I mean, to just have a peace of mind and just focus on my dream and just get rich, you know what I mean. Later down the road I just think about that, you know what I mean. And as I said, I always meet wonderful girls and girls who really like me everywhere I go, when they can clearly see how I roll, vlog roll, you know what I mean, everywhere we go, you know. Girls like, yeah, them like me and da da da. You can feel that vibe there, but always we just going and then come back out, going and come back out. I don't know if it's a thing where I spoil and I know say I can get enough girl or enough woman like me, I'm not to kill up myself, or I'm not to, you know what I mean? Like I say, yeah, you there sir. But I think one of the main thing is, because I really not trust them still. You know what I mean? Just some things, brother. You know what I mean? And so, I don't know, for now, I just enjoy myself. Or when I say enjoy myself, I mean, except for play no woman, don't play no girls, you know what I mean? You don't want to do them things there. That's not right. Take it from me and my past. It will catch up to you. You know what I mean? Because, yeah, I never want to stray from the point, but I have enough things to talk with you now about, enough one-on-one like this. And then maybe it is an insecurity thing, or maybe it's a man thing where, you know, where next reason why I'm kind of on top of the whole not trusting issue is that me as a man having the spirit of a king, which is King David, and me like being a provider, ask anybody around me, like if give me all, I don't want to lack nothing. You know what I mean? I saw me stay. You know what I mean? Ask any girl I'm deal with and say they can tell you that. You know? Probably because I know say yo, I know have the big house yet and the big car and the whole heap of money. That on top of the not trusting them too. That's the next issues where my 10 finals going all in, you know what I mean? I'm just go and start a thing. How I do start a thing, what always end up more time is, yo, the girl them punk out, yo. Which my next thing to issue I have to. You know what I mean? Give up too easy. You know what I mean? As a problem come, maybe, you know what I mean, them little thing that just annoy me. You know what I mean? And even the person right now, as I say, is there. Yo, I love her. Down my heart, but just some things, brother. And people might take this as the wrong way. But I mean, even somebody said to me, say, yo, why you not find out? Yo, I don't really want to read nobody mind still. Me not place in my life where I not try to figure out nobody. You know what I mean? I'm not going to try to figure out she. I save that brain power to put in my company and my work, because if she's not able to open up her mouth, or you as the woman now to open up your mouth and share or tell me how you feel, it don't make no sense me kill up myself and try to figure it out, because that thing I go stress out me and mad me. You know what I mean? I have too much bread, you know, go through them whole heap of stress there. Whole heap of, you know what I mean, them little things there, and certain little things, yo, I don't know, and them have bridging to go through whole heap of thing where woman just style them and just, you know what I mean, use them and so, you know what I mean. I was in a previous situation where I felt that did happen, you know, like a ramping thing or give up thing, you know, and them thing they kind of make me pre-woman are wasted in terms of if me really want to deal with this, you know what I mean, get serious down that thing, because I just not trust woman, brother. You know what I mean? I really. So I share my insecurities and them things they will do me too. How I believe, and just not trust them. I mean, I'm not a player, guys. Don't play women or nothing like that. That's not right. It might be because I spoil and I know I can't get enough girl, and I just not take the thing serious, because I never run back a thing. You know what I mean? That's really not me. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But a 50-50, you know what I mean? Certain, I reach an age in my life where I just now take on them things, certain things right now. You know what I mean? So, yeah, black girl, I just the one telling you that still. You know what I mean? So, yeah, thanks for watching still. And if you can learn something from my thing, my insecurities and my weaknesses, the way you see, learn and grow, you see it. Learn and grow. So they have vlog world. Let's go on journey with your boy, you see it.